So if you ever update your laptop or your small desktop, you're going to end up with a couple extra hard drives like these SSDs, these hard drives here, and you might as well use them for storage. I use a lot of USB drives, and I tell you what, there's not enough storage on them. And I need a lot of storage, especially if you're copying movies, things like that, big files, or backing up your hard drive. You need a big hard drive. So I got some 640s and 340, a bunch of different sizes here. And you're going to want to use it. And the way to go is with the Orico 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure. This guy's got some great specs. It's aluminum alloy, toolless, which is fantastic. Of course, you use the 2.5-inch hard drives, but the toolless is fantastic. I've gotten these in the past from other vendors, and they have little screws that either you lose them or you strip them, and then you're really mad because it's a lot of work to put the little hard drive in. This you can do in seconds. It does come with the manual, and if you want to read it, you can. I'm going to show you how to do it though. So let's grab the hard drive here. You can see here's the Orico hard drive, and it does come with some foam, and I'll show you what that's for. But on the front, you can see USB-C, and let me show you the cable here too. Comes with the cable. It's USB-C, so that part goes in the hard drive, or USB-A can go on your desktop. And this does pop apart and is a USB-C. So if you have a C connector, you go C to C or A to C, either one. So that's cool. And it is the same aluminum alloy as the enclosure, which is kind of cool. But you can see all aluminum, nice logo. And here's the front, here's the back. We've got some vents. But see right here, there's a little lever. What you do is you slide the lever in, poke it from the back, and away you go. Then you take your hard drive. We'll take this one just for fun, line it up, poke it in, and you're done. And like I said, the felt or little foam part you can put in here in case you got a thin hard drive, you don't want it flopping around the case, you can use that. We don't need that. Plop it in, you're done. That fast. How cool is that? Very nice. So tell you what, let's go to the laptop. And I actually got a Mac and I got a desktop PC, and I'll show you that this is literally plug and play. You just plug it in and away you go. Okay, so we have an iMac here, so I'll kind of show you. I already have it plugged in the back, but basically all you do is you plug it in, and you'll see some folders here pop up on second. It spins up. And if you watch right here, there you go. That's simple. So let's try it on the PC. Okay, so we have a Windows 10 PC here. You already have the cable plugged in. Let's just plug in the drive here for you. And it does have a small blue light. You can kind of see the activity light there. So that's kind of cool also. And there you go. I already found the drive. This is actually a blank drive with two partitions in it, but it's literally plug and play. There you go. The Orico 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure. Fantastic. I really like this guy. Like I said, nice aluminum alloy, heavy duty, and very simple. The fact that it's toolless is fantastic. USB-C. So you're kind of future-proof there. Way to go. Check it out.